Students, this is Mr. Birkenfield again with a quick tutorial on navigating your course and finding what assignments you have and where your assignments are. So I'm going to start by going to a course, and the first page by default is materials, and honestly this is where you should be navigating most of your assignments. If you look at materials, every week that we are online, you're going to see a folder like this. It will actually be labeled something slightly different. It should say online assignments for week ending and then the date for the week that it ends. Inside that folder, you can click the little arrow here to reveal, or you can click on the folder to go into it. Note that if you do that, it shows up here and it'll have a what we call breadcrumbs that you can go back to the original page or back to another folder if there were multiple folders. In that folder, you will find your assignments for the week. There's probably going to be a README file that has instructions. You should check this multiple times a week. This could change or update as the week goes on. We are all learning how to do this and working together to figure this out, so keep that in mind. We will be very kind with you, and you need to be kind with us. We're trying our best to make this situation work as effectively as possible. That said, there are other places you can go. You can go to your grades, and this will show you what assignments are being graded for quarter 4, under which category. So right now this group only has assessments and no learning opportunities, which is wrong, and I need to fix that. But that is part of this process, is looking at these things, because once you are here, you can say, oh wait, I didn't turn this in. You can click on it. It will take you to the assignment, and there's all your details of what you need to do, where to submit it, which we showed in the other video, but you can also again upload different things. If there's a rubric attached, that will show up there. Knowing where all this information is important. You can also go to updates, and while there won't likely be any materials here, this could be details or announcements that your teacher wants you to utilize. So just knowing what these different parts are. Attendance and members should not affect you as much. We don't generally take attendance in this program, and members just shows you who else is in the course with you. But knowing where the materials are, how to navigate through those folders, how to get back and forth is key. And again, if you have any questions, the last part of this is to reach out via email. So up here, there's a little message icon. You can click new message. You should be able to type your teacher's name. I would recommend not sending it to multiple teachers at the same time. Send a new message for each teacher. Let's say you need Mr. Birkenfield. Hey, that's me. You start typing the name, it should pop up. Put a subject in here. Makeup test. When would I be able to make up that test? Question mark. Send. And generally speaking, we'll get back to you as soon as possible, but give us 24 hours. You know, we're all going through a lot of different things right now, so be mindful of that. But you also can reach out to us on our regular emails, or if your teacher has indicated something different, maybe in their README files or in their syllabus, if they've told you to contact them with a phone number or something like that, you should follow your teacher's instructions. But that's it for this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to message Birkenfield on Schoology, and I will try to help you with learning how to navigate this software.